Understanding the phrase, nervous. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into a commonly used English phrase, nervous. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. The word, nervous, is an adjective. It is used to describe a feeling of anxiety, worry, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. When someone is nervous, they might feel jittery, tense, or apprehensive. Imagine you're about to give a big presentation or take an important exam. You might feel butterflies in your stomach. That's the feeling of being nervous. 1. Before a big event, I'm so nervous about my speech tomorrow. 2. Regarding performance, he gets nervous every time he has to speak in front of the class. 3. Expressing concern, she looked nervous when the topic was brought up. Understanding synonyms can enrich your vocabulary. Some common synonyms for nervous are anxious, worried, apprehensive, uneasy, tense. It's equally beneficial to know the opposites. Some antonyms of nervous are calm, relaxed, confident, unperturbed, assured. Understanding and using the word nervous can help you express your feelings more accurately in English. Remember, it's perfectly natural to feel nervous from time to time. The key is to recognize it and communicate it. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice using nervous in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!